I think what sets Commonwealth Senior Living apart from other senior living communities is our focus on engagement and resident life. We're more than just a place for seniors to live and continue with their lives. We look for ways to make life continue once they come to live with us.
I think a lot of families get the wrong impression when it comes time to moving their loved ones into like a care facility. But at Commonwealth, we're a lot more than a care facility. We really are like a home, and we have the resources such as Eversound that allow us to really connect with your loved ones and even allow you to connect with your loved ones, because we have a lot of family members that will come in and use Eversound to talk to their mom or dad when they haven't been able to before.
Daddy struggles with hearing, especially in a larger group setting. It's just been a real blessing for me though during the devotion time to not only see Daddy but other residents use the Eversound, and those that I've never seen speak start singing hymns with me and thank me for coming because they heard what was said, and what a blessing that is to me.
We've really progressed in the type of activities and events we provide, which Eversound again is helping us to really expand on what we're able to do. But more and more people want to experience real life activities. They want to experience the kinds of things they did in their own home. So we're getting more and more away from bingo and Bible study and birthday party and getting into wine tours and trips along the Blue Ridge Parkway and going to the farmer's market. Those are things we decide to get up and do every day. And if our residents can get up every day and decide, this is what I'd like to do today, and we get to be a part of that, that's a pretty amazing experience. I love working with the people I get to work with, and I love that we get to provide the services that we provide to our residents.